What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to talk about one of the biggest issues that people are having with the Osmo Pocket. When you connect it, alright, it doesn't seem to be that good of a connection between the phone and the Osmo Pocket. In my last video, which you can see right here, a lot of people were complaining about this problem, and for good reason. So it gets kind of annoying holding the phone right here with the Osmo Pocket as you're filming. Okay, it's kind of defeats the purpose of having something so small. You just want to kind of hold it like this. It makes it kind of lopsided. Some people were asking about using their iPad, and all of these things, even with a small phone like this. I have an iPhone 7 and it still kind of sags to the side. And I've noticed when I've filmed over long periods of time, if I don't hold it like this, occasionally it will disconnect from this adapter and I won't be able to film. That's really annoying, because when you're filming, you don't want to miss that crucial scene. All right, every second counts and you need something that's reliable. So there is a solution, but before I get into that, I just want to address a couple other issues very briefly. So some people have been asking me, can I shoot in a different color mode, or like a log mode, like D-Log or some other log? And you can't do it currently with the firmware. Okay, maybe they'll update that in the next firmware, but currently you just have to use what is. Also, with the release of the Mimo app to the public, it didn't include that story mode that was included for all the YouTubers and people that reviewed it earlier on. So it's gonna come in a firmware update very soon. Unfortunately, it's not right here, but that's the way it goes. DJI doesn't want to bastardize its other products, its other Osmos and so forth. For example, you can't do the barrel roll with this Osmo Pocket, but you can do it with the Ronin S. So it does have its limitations. With all that said, there are firmware updates in the near future, so you kind of have to just be patient. Now back to our original problem. You get this screen, it can be super annoying, as you can see. All right, so having that screen and having to remove the unit and then put it back together is super annoying and not convenient. And here is the solution. Okay, this company PGY Tech invented a device right here that you connect. And the great thing about this device right here is that with this accessory, you can connect your Osmo Pocket to your phone and it keeps it firmly inserted. It's not gonna come out. You don't have to worry about constantly pushing your phone into the adapter to make sure it doesn't get disconnected. And on top of that, it also has a little screw on the bottom where you can mount a tripod or a selfie stick. And it also has a cold shoe on top where you can mount a microphone or a light. And hopefully in the future, PGY Tech or another company will make an adapter from the USB-C port all the way to this cold shoe mount on top for capturing great audio. So in short, this accessory right here is a must-have for anyone who got the Osmo Pocket. In fact, I think DJI should have included it with the Osmo Pocket. That's the way it goes. Thank you, PGY Tech, for doing that. I'll include a link in the description below if you want to go pick that up. Now, with all that said, it is going to take a while to ship it out. It's coming from China. PGY Tech is a Chinese company, and the shipping is rather slow. So you have to be patient. It will arrive. But the lesson with the Osmo Pocket is that you have to be patient with the firmware updates, with the new features, and with the accessories like this one that are slowly being added. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. I'm actually a little under the weather, so I apologize, my voice. But I wanted to make this video so you get it as soon as possible and to be able to help you out. So if you haven't done so, please subscribe below, press that like button, also tap that bell notification so you get more videos like this. And I'll see you in the next video. And remember, siempre pa'lante, nunca para atrás.